Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video will guide everyone way to be able create a series of fan pages automatically. This is the main interface of the MKT page software. The software will help you manage multiple accounts. I will use these accounts to be able to create fan page automatically. First, go to the admin page. Next, you choose to create page. Here you will set up give me the configuration as stream number or the information of the fan page, like the fan page name, the phone number information sections, email, website, and so on. And you're going to choose your avatar and your cover photo. Here you can add a description for yourself. The avatar and the cover photo, you can choose from many different avatars. When you are finished, click the Start. The software will automatically support you to create pages automatically, as you can see on the screen. If you are interested in software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I put it below the description. Thank you all and see you all in the next videos.